Skyfront Perimeter 8 and Perimeter 8 Plus first to receive Green UAS Cleared drone security certification. The Association for Uncrewed Vehicle Systems International, AUVSI, announced the Skyfront Perimeter 8 and 8 Plus have received the AUVSI Green UAS certification. The Skyfront drones are the first to be added to the Green UAS Cleared list. AUVSI's Green UAS program serves as an independent assessment and verification of cybersecurity and National Defense Authorization Act (NDAA) compliance. The Department of Defense Defense Innovation Unit (DIU) developed the Blue UAS program in 2020 with a list of 5 trusted platforms. The program has since been adopted by the U.S. Government Procurement Office and other federal agencies, as well as some states, as the standard for cybersecurity. With limited capacity to test all aircraft that might qualify, and a necessary focus on those aircraft most useful to the Department of Defense, the Blue UAS program has been unable to meet the demand from drone manufacturers. The Green UAS program was designed by AUVSI in collaboration with the DIU to help increase access to third-party evaluation and increase the field of secure platforms, granting customers more choice. The Green UAS framework is built off the Blue UAS certification program, but is designed for customers who do not immediately require a DOT authority to operate. ATO. Green UAS cleared drones can benefit from a streamlined pathway from green to blue if a DOT sponsor is secured, says AUVSI. Green UAS certification is part of AUVSI's broader Trusted Cyber Certification program, which focuses on systems in the air, ground, and maritime domains. The AUVSI Trusted program will also be expanded to include certifications for specific user industries or system domains. For Skyfront, the Green UAS certification process included a review of Perimeter 8 and 8 Plus's product security, including all components and subcomponents, remote operations security, supply chain risk management, and a review of Skyfront's corporate cyber hygiene. There are 14 other platforms engaged in the Green UAS certification process. Customers are more aware than ever about the value drones can provide in their operations, but so too are they more aware than ever about possible cybersecurity challenges autonomous systems pose to organizations, said Troy Mestler, CEO of Skyfront. Skyfront is proud to offer the first platform to pass the Green UAS certification process, which was rigorous and detailed. We look forward to demonstrating the advantages the Perimeter 8 can provide to users in need of a broad mission set system that can carry large payloads for long durations with the highest security assurances available. The AUVSI commends Skyfront for successfully designing, manufacturing, and obtaining certification for a drone that meets the highest levels of cyber and supply chain security, said Michael Robbins, Chief Advocacy Officer at AUVSI. With more than a dozen other companies in various stages of the review process, the Perimeter 8 and 8 Plus will be the first of many Green UAS certifications to come. We anticipate a robust government and commercial marketplace for secure platforms on the Green UAS Cleared list as more platforms are certified in the months ahead.